Do you believe in love? Do you believe in love? Oops. Anyways, if you're wondering why I'm sweating my butt off, this is my third take and it's really hot. I have to have the window down because if it's up then the traffic goes by and it's really loud. You can't hear me. Maybe you don't want to hear me, but I want you to hear me. Anyways, that's why I'm sweating because I'm on my third take. But I'm still smiling, I'm still happy, and I'm still going to give it my all. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing Randy Houser's Running Out of Moonlight. Just wanted to say I just hit 258 subscribers. It's remarkable and it's heartwarming and I can't thank you enough. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button. I'd love to have you a part of the team. Can't do this on my own, and I'd love to have you all on this journey with me because without all you listening, I wouldn't be doing this. It would be for nothing, you know. And God's number one. Always remember that. God bless y'all. Here we go. Hope you enjoy this, and I hope I get you out of your seats or whatever you're doing. I hope you stand up. I hope you're dancing. I hope you're enjoying life because this is just a good song, well written. Here we go. A 3, a 2. Oh yeah, before you judge, there's a riff in this song that I'm not going to do because I'm not good enough. Let me just get that out there right now. All right? 3, 2, 1. Don't you worry about getting fixed up. You wake up pretty enough. Look out your window at the cloud of dust. It's my headlights, that's my truck. Come on, baby, don't you keep me waiting. I gotta go, I got a reservation till 8 for 2 underneath the stars. Kiss on your lips when you're in my arms. Oh, every now and then you get a night like this. Oh, this is one that you don't want to miss, no. Come on, baby, let me take you on a night ride. Windows down, sitting on my side. Tick-tock, now we're knocking on midnight. Me and you, girl, running out of moonlight. I wanna get you to the break of dawn. Hear the crickets sing a riverside love song. Hey, baby, all we got is all night. Come on now, we're running out of moonlight. Girl, I bet you thought I lost my mind. Out of the blue, pulling into your drive. Wondering why I got you way out here. Have you ever seen a sky so clear? Oh, girl, you never look better than you do right now. Oh, heaven let your eyes shine down. Come on, baby, let me take you on a night ride. Windows down, sitting on my side. Tick-tock, now we're knocking on midnight. Me and you, girl, running out of midnight. I wanna get you to the break of dawn. Hear the crickets sing a riverside love song. Hey, baby, all we got is all night. Come on now, we're running out of moonlight. Come on, baby, let me take you on a night ride. Windows down, sitting on my side. Tick-tock, now we're knocking on moonlight. You and me, girl, running out of moonlight. I wanna hold you to the break of dawn. Hear the crickets sing a riverside love song. Hey, baby, all we got is all night. Come on, girl, we're running out of moonlight. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Hope you enjoyed that. Peace out and God bless you.